Good day, everybody. This is Minister Ottley, and we are here today at the first official kickoff of the Let's Get Fit March Madness. It's a beautiful turnout. Beautiful people is here today. You know, I'm so grateful. We really anticipated about 30 persons. We have superseded that. There's a Samaritan duet, so we expect next week and the week after we'll have a lot more participants. But the idea, even if we can touch 5 people, I am happy, I am content, because it's about getting healthy. It's about promoting the healthy. It's trying to do away a little bit with the medicine, the vaccines, all of this, and let us now get back to normal and get healthier than ever before. I anticipate a larger turnout in the weeks to come. So I invite you to invite a friend and tell them to invite a friend. Thank you.
Today we have collaborated with the Monster Factory and CPS because it's a department within the Ministry of VSA. We are collaborating because we want to promote healthy eating. From our perspective as community development, we want to establish a healthy community, a community where the people are moving, where the people are thinking on their nutrition, because without it, you won't have long life. So I am inviting everyone to come out every Saturday to join us here at the Festival Village for a workout from 9 to 11. See you then.
My name is Swinda Richardson, and we're here with CPS along with community development, and we're here to give the people some services when it comes to getting yourself checked. It's very important. So we have where we take their blood pressure, their blood glucose, and we calculate their BMI, so we do our weight and height measurements for them. Okay, so we also have some additional information that we can share with them if they have any health concerns or any health questions. We have our nurses on board that will assist them with whatever questions they may have.
This is the first Saturday. We have a great event. A lot of people came out. We have next Saturday, the Saturday after that, and Saturday after that. So we're looking for everybody to come out, start getting back in the groove of fitness. We know you always say you want to start. You just have to get started. So we have right now, as you can see, we have a little Pilates, we have a little Zumba, we have different instructors, we have a course. It's age friendly. Doesn't matter your fitness level. We have refreshments. We want you to come out, start getting fit for carnival, start getting fit for post-COVID. Just get fit.